All right, so welcome to the cart review. The cart review is about massage therapists or estheticians or anybody who uses a massage table on carrier devices. And this first carrier, it folds out. It has little tiny wheels. It's lightweight. It has a little bit of a weight to it. It's not bony or skinny. It has a little clutch, or when you pop that clutch or the little brake, it lifts up. It has side railings to hold your table from falling from left to right. And it's pretty sturdy. Now I'm about to grab my table, the heaviest table that I have. This table is about 62 pounds, which is pretty heavy. But it comes with everything. Chest plate comes out, the breastplate comes out, stomach, good for prenatal. It's very heavy though. Oh, look, I'm popping the clutch. You pop that clutch or the little foot brake and it moves up. This is the heaviest table that I have and it handles it pretty well. You can grab the handle, foot brake, lower it down. Foot brake again, come back up. Yep, hold it, move it. So you lower it down and you take it out of the carrier. Nothing gets snagged or hooked, which is wonderful. Man, I need to clean my table. I had some grease on there or something. Hey. All right, so it's easy to fold up. You don't have to bend down like I just did, but, I needed to stretch. Groin area gets tight. All right, so this is number two, option number two. It's a little dainty. It's a little bony. Yeah, you can curl it with just one finger. I'm strong. Do it again. Do it. All right. One for all of us. One for the core. Okay. Okay, yep. Do it again. Curl it. Get it. So, it's that lightweight, which is a wonderful thing. I'm crazy in the cabeza. I know. Local in the cabeza. But it's super lightweight where it's almost too bony, too lightweight. It has a strap. You lay it on down. Grab your heaviest table and let's test the weight. What do you know? It holds it. And I apologize for my camera placement where you can't see the wheels, but the wheels are rubber, but they get worn down, but they still work. Take your strap, place it over the table, long ways, not short ways or widthwise. We're going to do lengthwise. All right, so it moves. It's a little sturdy, but not too much. You have to really baby this thing. You have to baby it to the point to where you got to guide it, right? You got to hold on to it, cradle the baby, cradle the baby. Yep. See, it's a little wobbly. Yeah, the stability is okay. It's just, don't be trying to take this down, northeast, southeast DC somewhere down them hills and valleys and stuff and get caught up on some sort of rock or uneven pavement. You know how DC rolls, potholes even on the sidewalk. Crazy. So this could have catastrophe, right? It's uneven. If it falls over, you scrape your whole table up and then people looking at you laughing, it's going to make you mad, for real, for real. So this is good if it's at a conference center or smooth flooring like a hotel, then this would be good to go. All of the links will be placed in the description box so you can purchase these carriers. So that's the number two carrier. And I'm going to give you my final grading after we're done. Finally, the creme de la creme. Yes, the third one. All right. Shit. This is what I'm talking about. Earthlight. They make good quality products. I can't complain. A little expensive. So I am complaining about that though. Other than that, comes in a box. Okay, I had to get ready. Had to pull up my pants. I don't know why okay, squat, get down. All right, so here we go. Get the box closer to you. Take out all the filler or filament. If you got a fireplace or whatever, you can burn that. But it's probably bad for the environment. So you probably should just recycle it. Yeah, never mind. All right, it comes with a little cylinder package, which is going to be your pipe, not the bong, not a smoke pipe. Peace pipe is the pipe that holds your handle pipe. It's almost like a little mini cane for mini me. All right, put that down. Okay, my knees are starting to hurt, so we need to hurry this up. Take it out of the box. This is your wrap, just how you've seen the other tables, how you just put it around the table and it holds it secure. Instructions, pamphlets. It is kind of heavy. It weighs possibly 20 plus pounds, maybe, 18 to 20 pounds, give or take. I mean, it's not heavy, but you definitely notice the weight is what I mean to say. Yeah, get that damn box out of the way. Yeah, manhandle that box. Put everything aside. It comes with a little rubber band. Take it off. Use it as a hair tie for later or whatever you're going to do. Shoot it at somebody, but in a gentle way. All right, we'll read the instructions. Yeah, because this one, it's not hard or complicated to put together, but it's not user-friendly neither. I mean, I guess to a point it is. But look, see, yeah, you got to line it up correctly. Yep, just lay that down. I thought it would stand on its own. That would have been awesome. But you're going to get your pipe, line it up, or sit it up. Turn it the opposite way. All right, there we go. The pipe goes in the hole. Male to the female connection. Hit your little button, your little spring button, the little latch. It should be silver. It's like a little button, little nipple. Yeah, my stepfather in the background walking, about to get into his car and, go to work. He old, but he's still going to work. He triple dipping, I tell you. Getting that good government money. That's what I'm going to do when I get older. But anyways, you put it in the hole. Make sure the line's right to the bottom hole, and it should stay. You get your securing strap with the Earthlight logo all around it. You look for the little hole or the piece that fits around the handle so you can secure it. Just like so, like that. Put that down. All right, put your heavy table, put it on in there. It fits in nice and snug. And my table is actually pretty wide. It's pretty padded well, and it's still fit in there, no problems. All right, the old man is backing up, going to work. All right. Put your strap around, secure your table. But as you can see, I put it on the wrong way. I actually should have put it on the pipe first before putting the pipe in the hole. So make sure you do that. All right, now that I squared myself away and actually got it down right, I'm making sure everything's in alignment and secure. We're good to go. All right, look at those wheels. Those wheels got traction on them. Man, it's almost like an Amtrak. And I do mean like a AAAV for those military people who know out there what I mean and I'm talking about. Amphibious assault vehicle for those who don't know. Anyway, so the AAAV, or Actually, I didn't even say the first A, but anyways, you get what I mean. It's very sturdy. Oh yeah, side to side, rough it. Yep, beat it up. Oh yeah, pull it. Oh, that's right. It doesn't get crazy. It's sure, man. It's good to go. Sturdy, you know. That's right. Hit it. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. See that one leg, one handed movement I just did? Oh, I love this card. This card, so by far, is the best card I've ever had. By far. Until a new one comes out or something better. This, oh yeah, it's fucking luxury. Mm-hmm. Yep. Giving it a torture test. It doesn't just fold over easily, even after a couple body blows. Oh yeah, disable your opponent. That's right. You take them out at all costs. But this card takes a beating. Good to go. That one by far is better than all of them. Those two are like, like meh. All right, get your bolster. Where are we going to put it? This is my only complaint about this cart. The only complaint. I still give it an A minus. It could have got an A plus, but this is the only reason why it did not get an A plus. I gave it an A minus for this reason alone, because there's no bolster holder. So look right here as I'm putting it in. I have to put it in between the lining or the wire, the secure wire that holds the table together in the cart. And it does a pretty good job, but it messes up your bolster. If you keep it in there, you're going to have a line in your bolster. But it's better than nothing. Or you can have your book bag or backpack and put it in there to secure it. I know what you're thinking. If I just secure it with the strap, is it going to stay? Let's see. Always test it. Yeah, it's going to be too flimsy. If you're going down a road, carrying it, yeah, it's going to fall through. And then, it's going to trip somebody up. Problems. That's the only problem. See, if it had a bolster holder, it would have an A plus rating. But A minus is still an A. A is an A. No worries. So just hold on to your bolster and wheel yourself around. Put your sheets and linens on the inside of the table. Close it all together. You can put this on with your table covering or table protector if you want to. I didn't show that in this video. I apologize. Now, let's take it on a road test. Terrain test. Yep. Is it wobbly? A little bit if you don't grab a hold of it. So slow down, get a hold of it, and then move it. Going up a little small hill out to the road. Let's see how it holds up in the road and down the hill. Watch the cars, because you see a black man walking by, they don't really care. They'll still try to hit me. Damn it. Yep, go down the hill. Yep, rough it. Oh yeah, torture test. It survived. Did a bird shit on it? Nope. The bird knows better. Can't afford that shit. All right. Damn, this damn COVID weight, man. I need to go ahead and start running again. Yeah, COVID's been good to me. I've been eating, as you can tell. But I'm not too crazy with it. But I know I got some issues. All right, so our final review or our close-up view of the Earthlight Carrier or APC, the Armored Personnel Carrier. So let me stop. All right, see the hand foot brake, just press it down, move it out, and your Oscar Mike. Yep, and it can tighten, it can loosen if you want to. It has like a little loosen and tighten strap, as you can see right there. So for an even bigger table, it'll still fit it, or smaller. The wheels are rugged. I love the wheels. They're not going to wear down. They're like tank tires. I like that. I really appreciate that. And the handle is very sturdy. And it comes apart. You hit that little, see that silver button? Yep. Closer view of the tank tires. Then silver button right there. That just takes out the lever or the little cane-like handle. And you can break your cart down if you want to. But so far, so great. The other two are still top contenders. I'm just saying so far, right now, this is the top of the line. All right. I'm showing off. I had to take it for another spin. Okay, let's break it down. How do I get my table out? Be strong. Lift it up. Come on now. Jesus. Good Lord. Okay, put your foot on the tire and then lift out. Because, right, it fits snug. My table is pretty thick. It's very, very padded very well. So it sticks in there, which is great for me. So now, see how small it is in the middle? But it will fit your table, so don't be fooled. It compresses down. Hit the little nipple or the button. The silver nipples. We know all about that. Touch the nipple. Press it. Be gentle with it. It could be sensitive. And then compact it down, and then the nipple will show up at the lower hole. See the lower hole right there? You'll see it in a minute. Oh, good grief. Straps in the way. Make sure that's secure. And because the strap's in the way, it didn't go into the second nipple at the bottom. But you'll see that hole at the very, very bottom is supposed to go into that. But I decided to take it out. Because right now the strap is actually supposed to go around that ball, that little divot right there. Very hard to do. And I didn't have time to do that in this video. But you'll see me try to do it any damn way. Look, here we go. Let's try it. Okay. Try to put around the little ball. Yeah, it's hard to do. But it has to go around it if you really want to fit it so it can go into the second hole, the nipple through the hole. So here we go. Line it up. Hit the first nipple. It goes through. There we go. It went to the second nipple. So you have to just push it down a little bit, and now it's secure. Take your strap, pull it, make sure it doesn't come out. It has to be flush. That's what I'm showing you right now. See, it has to be flush for the second nipple to go through. All right. So there you go. It's nice and secure. Oh, yeah. You can put luggage on this damn thing. You can take it to the airport. They're going to ask you, like, what the hell is this for? You can say, hey, it's my massage table. Shut up. It's like, don't say that. You probably don't get through TSA. Oh, yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's got a little weight to it. Oh, yeah, you can work out. I need to work out. Look, yes. I definitely need to work out. Shit. But hell, I still handle mine, so I don't give a shit. I'm still thorough. And I know it. Yep. Put that thing in there. Grab it. Toss it in there like a 50 cal. You break it down. Well, we ain't breaking out on the damn 50 cal and putting it in a car, but hell, who knows these days? Take your table, load it up. It can fit in the trunk if you want to. It's just a little bulky. I just put it in my back seat. My trunk space is big enough for 2 tables. Thank God. Close it up and you're good to go.